Start by creating a sphere. Call it 60 millimeters in diameter. Move it to a convenient location. Call it 100x and 100y. Add our negative volume. Load. Okay. 0 DOF to start. Here you can see our negative volume. It's inside the part. Z equals 30, which is halfway through our sphere, which is perfect. That's the parting plane we're going to use. Y, we'll just make that 90. Slice now to preview it. You can see our first pocket's there. Great. Create our second pocket. Again, add a negative volume. This time pocket 1 DOF. Move that. You can see there's our negative volume inside the part. Put it about there. Call it 110Y. Z still 30. Great. All right. There's our two pockets. Now we need to cut this. We'll use the cut command in Prusa Slicer. Cut here. Z equals 30, which is the plane we want. Both objects will place on cut, form the cut. There they are. Two negative volume modifiers. Slice that. And now we can preview our slice. And you can see our two pockets are there. Great. All we need to do is print this.